Hi everyone, so I just updated the GPA calculator, so do download the latest copy if you intend to use it till you graduate. So recently I received some feedback about the clarity of instruction of the spreadsheet, and I thought it would be useful if I were to create a video tutorial to guide you through, as well as some tips as to how you can plan your upcoming semester. So while I was working on it, I spotted a mistake where I can't change the name of the semester to summer or winter because the current GPA and cumulative GPA are reflected wrongly. So if you were to look over here, when we choose year 1 sem 2, we can see that like the current GPA and the cumulative GPA is the same as what is reflected over here. But if you were to change year 2 sem 1 to summer, we can see that the current GPA and cumulative GPA cells has an error message. So I spent a few hours and I managed to fix the mistake, and I realized that it's because of the formulas that I use. So instead of VLOOKUP function that can only be used when the table is sorted in ascending order, I should have used the index match function instead. So if you intend to use this GPA calculator throughout the years in university, you should download the updated copy now. And if you have already fill in the data, the grades, the CU, as well as the other cells in the previous copy, all you need to do is just copy and paste over, and everything will reflect accordingly. So what you can do is that you'll be able to know the number of graded and non-graded CU left till graduation, as well as average GPA you should aim for to reach your target GPA. With that, I hope that the GPA calculator has been useful for you. So if you find that it has been useful for you, do share it with your friends too so they can benefit as well. Thank you and bye bye.